today I have my friend Shay. Say hey, Shay.
Hey.
And today it is Mommy's Day Out, so we have left the kids behind and we are headed to Charlotte.
Yes.
We're gonna check out a plant nursery. It's PlantHouse in Charlotte, so we're gonna check that out, get some food, do a little shopping, whatever Shay wanna do. I'm just here for the ride.
Hey.
Okay. And so we'll touch base with you guys when we hit Charlotte.
Stay tuned.
So we're standing in front of PlantHouse. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're gonna take you around. What are you most excited about this place?
I think I want to just see the plants. Like, I'm really excited about really seeing the plants.
This is a different experience because our plant nurseries back home are just, you go in and you just buy some plants. But this is gonna be more of an experience. I think they have like a potting station. I think they host events, stuff like that. So this is new for us.
Yes.
So we'll take you around. Okay.
No. I'll leave her right there. Even though it would be so cute in this.
It would.
But not for 75. This is 75? Like, that's crazy.
That is 75. That's the plant you want.
Yeah, that's the plant I want, but she will stay right here until next time. She's not within the budget today. What else?
But that is definitely, that's a Shay plant.
Yeah,
you gotta get it. It's beautiful and it just looks like a rock star.
It is. It's a beautiful plant.
It is.
I'm gonna get these two, and that's it for me.
Okay, let me find something. And even though it's like rare, it doesn't have the super rare price. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's a good little pot.
Yeah.
Doing pretty good. I think I'm gonna get that one. I just gave them $90. I'm good.
Yeah, y'all just got $75 off of me, and I don't even know if these plants gonna last a month. But
So we just left out the plant house.
Yay.
It was a good experience. It wasn't all that we thought it was going to be.
Not at all.
But we did find a box load of goodies.
Yay.
And so we're going to hopefully thrive. They're gonna thrive. We're gonna nourish them.
Yes.
And they're going to thrive and do good. Okay, so the plants are all packed up in the back seat. And so now we are, you hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat.
Yeah, and drink.
And drink. So we just finished eating. We went to Leroy Fox.
Yes.
Downtown Charlotte. The food was on point. The drinks were great.
Yes.
You enjoyed your food?
I loved it. It was
I had
amazing.
shrimp and grits, and I had a hibiscus watermelon gin drink. What was it called?
Something whiskey. I don't
Gin. It was something gin summer. Hot gin summer. That was my
Yes,
drink.
yes, that was what you had. I had, what did I have?
You had the
Let
barbecue
That Man
chicken.
Go.
Let that man.
Amazing. If you in the area, get that.
Liddy. Yeah, you definitely gotta check that restaurant out. So we're back home. Well, I'm home. Shay still has to drive.
I still have to drive.
to get back home. But we had such a good day, and I'm so happy that we were able to just get away from the kids and have a good meal.
Yes.
And check out the plant nursery.
It's cool, we gotta go back.
We do.
Yes.
So definitely check out PlantHouse in Charlotte.
Yes.
And
Leroy Fox. Yes.
in Charlotte.
Yes.
Yeah. So this was a great mommy's trip. Kai, say hey. Okay. Alrighty then.
Mommy mode back on.
That part. Alright, so we'll check in with you guys next time.
Bye.